Self-defense is the legal right to use reasonable force to protect oneself or others from immediate damage during an attack. When charged with a violent crime, a defendant may utilize self-defense as a legal defense under federal criminal law and throughout all states. It is usually invoked in cases of assault, battery, or homicide. Still, self-defense laws have unique rules and exceptions that are important for residents to know. Self-defense laws in Arizona are outlined through several Arizona statutes. These statutes express that when employing physical force to stop some crimes, such as assault or robbery, there is no obligation to flee first. This rule is commonly referred to as the Arizona Stand Your Ground law. While Arizona law does allow individuals to protect themselves with physical force, people need to be aware of the legal limits on self-defense. For example, the law states self-defense is not applicable during verbal disputes or lawful police-led arrests. Knowing about the intricacies of Arizona's self-defense laws can help you make informed decisions. Although there is not an Arizona law explicitly titled Stand Your Ground, the law permits anyone, wherever they may be, to protect themselves or others, even with lethal force, without having to flee first. This holds true as long as the claimant is legally allowed at a location, even if it is outside of their property or in public areas throughout Arizona. Some examples of real-life scenarios that may allow someone to stand their ground are a victim pepper spraying a sexual assaulter, an individual threatening to shoot a kidnapper, a bystander killing an individual attempting second-degree murder. If you've inflicted physical force in self-defense and have or may be wrongfully convicted of a crime because of it, contact the Jackson White Criminal Law Team. Our talented attorneys have substantial experience with Arizona self-defense laws. By referring to the Arizona Stand Your Ground law, Castle Doctrine, and various statutes, we can help you build a strong case that your actions were taken in self-defense, in an attempt to avoid the negative legal repercussions that can come from being found guilty of a violent crime, like murder or assault. The Jackson White Law Team proudly defends individuals' right to use force to protect themselves. If you felt the need to use physical or deadly physical force to protect yourself or your family, it is highly suggested that you retain the guidance of an experienced Jackson White criminal defense attorney immediately. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480-745-1639 to discuss how self-defense laws in Arizona apply to your case.